In this video, I'm going to be explaining what do people mean when they say link in bio on Instagram. Okay, so when people say click on the link in my bio, what they're referring to is you can see on my bio right here, underneath my bio text, it has a YouTube link. And now you can go ahead and use pretty much any link within reason in your Instagram bio to promote your business and things of that nature. Now the phrase link in bio is pretty popular on Instagram. That is because you can't actually put clickable links within the captions of your Instagram posts. So if I just go ahead and go to one of my friends' accounts to show you what I mean by this is I can go to one of his posts, and if I click on the more option in his caption, it says check the video in the link in bio for the how and why. So if I go back to his bio, I can see underneath the text it has that YouTube link that he was talking about in his caption. Now to set up this link in the bio, all you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Then you want to tap on edit profile, and there underneath where it says website, you have the option to put in that link that you want to put in your bio. So in my case, I've got a YouTube video link to one of my YouTube videos, but you can go ahead and put pretty much whatever you would like there within reason. So that is the lowdown on what does link in bio mean on Instagram. If this cleared it up for you, go ahead and leave a comment, and if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.